to be a different side of me, yeah. You'll find a different side of me.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a great day today. So as you can tell from the title of this video, we're going to be comparing two mascaras to each other, as I promised in my last mascara comparison video. One of them is the Benefit Rollerlash and the other one is the Maybelline Lash Sensational. The Benefit Rollerlash retails for £21.50 and the Maybelline Lash Sensational retails for £9, which makes it more than 2 times cheaper. And to be honest, with mascaras you really don't need to go high-end. You can get really good quality mascaras in the drugstore. Let me just read for you from the website what the Benefit Rollerlash says. It's a roller for lashes, the eye-opening hook and roll. Brush grabs, separate, lift and curls, while instant curve setting formula holds for 12 hours. So basically it promises to curl your lashes and be able to hold that curl for a long time, and it's an award-winning mascara. With the Lash Sensational, it says is the first layer reveal brush with 6 lengths of bristles, capturing the tiniest lashes you didn't know you had, volumizes and defines the look of longer lashes. And the result is a layered, multiplied effect, low wax formula for intense blackness without sticking lashes together. Okay, so basically in the description, this one promises to curl your lashes, while this one promises to give you a multi-layer effect. So let me just show you the brushes on both. The top one is the Lash Sensational and the bottom one is the Rollerlash. So as you can see, the concept is the same, but the brushes do actually look quite different. The Rollerlash looks longer and thinner. The Lash Sensational is a bit more chunky. So without further ado, let's jump right into it. I'm gonna get started with the Maybelline one. Let's get into applying the first coat of the Benefit Rollerlash. Okay, so after one coat, I literally see no difference. I would say, however, that the Benefit one is a little bit stickier. I'm not saying that it sticks your lashes together, but I do think that it feels a bit stickier and thicker when you're applying it. But so far, I definitely think that we have the same effect on the two eyes. Okay, let's jump into applying the second coat of the Maybelline one. This shape of the mascara one is so good for your bottom lashes. And now second layer of Benefit. Okay, so that is 2 coats of both mascaras on. I must say that they were both a little bit messy, but the Maybelline Lash Sensational was messier, probably due to the thicker brush. But other than that, I feel like I literally had the same effect from the 2 mascaras. Maybe on the bottom lashes I prefer the Benefit Rollerlash, but that's because it sticked my lashes together a little bit, which always looks nice on the bottom lashes. but honestly, other than that, it's exactly the same. I even might say that the Lash Sensational looks a little bit better because it separated the lashes better. So yeah, if you love the roller lash but you find that it's a bit too expensive for you, definitely give a chance to the Maybelline Lash Sensational, because I feel like I got the same effect. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you found it useful. I hope you found another way of saving some money on your makeup, because to be honest, that's all I'm trying to do here. I'm trying to give you some ideas of what you should invest your money in and what is just not worth it because you just have another cheaper option. And I think this must be one of those cases when you're more than fine going with the cheaper one. So yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and hit the ring button so you're not gonna miss out any future uploads. And I will see you very, very soon. Bye.